welcome back to my YouTube channel Ruby Structures. On today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to export details from ProtaStructure to AutoCAD, where you can edit it and also make it available for printing. Okay, so as you can see, we already have a model here, so we are going to get right into the tutorials. So just as confirmation, you can just come to your review tab, come to your visual interrogation and design status. Click on your design status so we can verify that all our members have passed successfully. You see from the design legend here, you see that if it shows green, it means that every member is okay. So from our pad to our column to our beams, everything passes appropriately. Okay, we've loaded and we have designed everything. You can come to our plan view to also confirm our slab. Okay, alright, so providing Y12 at 250. Alright, so that's okay. So the next thing you're going to do is for you to come to your drawings and reports. Come to drawing and reports, you come to Prota details, then you click on Prota details. Once you click on Prota details, going to ask you, do you want to save the changes? Say yes. So it takes you now to Prota details. Prota details just takes a while. It's part of the Prota software, so it takes a while, but it's going to come up very soon. So give it about a few minutes while your Prota details loads up. Okay, so Prota details is almost done loading. Alright, so once it's done loading, it would, you have the first page. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on auto generate details. Alright, so you just click on auto generate details. So once you click on auto generate details, it's going to give you a menu where you select things. So we want story 0 for our foundations. We have story 1, story 2, and story 3. We want the form plans, we want the column applications, we want the column elevations, and all of this. So anyone you don't want, to just untick it, so you can just skip this. If you want to insert it to sheets, you can just click here to insert to sheets. Okay, if you want to, but on this tutorial I don't want to, so I'm going to take this out. I don't want to insert it to sheets. Alright, but then if you want to draw it on separate files, you can also do that, but then I want everything to be on one AutoCAD file. Okay, so just leave it as it is now and you just click on draw. Once you click on draw, the next thing is for you to click on any part on your drawing. You just click on any part. Once you click on it and give it a bit of time while it processes your details for you. Okay, I'm guessing that's done. Okay, so if you zoom out, you see everything you want to see. So you have your pad arrangement, you have your story 1 beam slab detailing, you have your story 2 beam slab, and also it comes with the bar bending schedule. Alright, so this is for the slab. Okay, you have your columns, you have your column schedule, have your beam details. If you zoom in, you see your beam details. Your beam details, you have 2x16 top, 2x16 bottom for this particular beam. Okay, alright, that's your beam detail. Next thing you have after your beam detail is your pad details. Pad details, and every pad with its bar bending schedule. Okay, same thing here. So once you're done with that, to export to AutoCAD, you come to your export here, click on it, right click, you're going to see export, then you click on export. So you just pick wherever you want it to. Alright, so you're going to change directory. You want it to save it on our desktop. So we just click on desktop and we click on OK. That's what we want. You want to save it on desktop, we click on change directory. Alright, if you want to confirm where that is, you can just click on open directory. Okay, so it's going to show you, it's going to be on your desktop. Alright, so you can just close this. So we are going to take it to version 2010. Usually I like to take it to 2010. Okay, I like to do it DWG to 2010. So in case someone has a lower version of AutoCAD, in case I want to send it to somebody, I can do it. So but then I usually just keep that DWG 2010, but you can take it to whatever version, DXF or DWG to whatever version of AutoCAD you want to use. But I usually keep mine at 2010, and I just click on export. Once you click on export, it's going to export it, and once you export, it's going to open your file manager and actually indicate where it is being saved. Okay. Alright, so like I said earlier, I'm going to open it and show you where it's been saved. So this is it, drawing 2. Right, so if you have your AutoCAD installed, you can just double click this and you have opened that. Alright, hope you've learned something new today. Do remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and drop your comments on whatever video you want us to do for you, tutorial videos you want us to do for you on any software, and we'll be right there for you. Alright, take care, see you on the next one.